In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a currency index in TradingView. A custom currency index lets you see the aggregated strength of a single currency across multiple pairs, all on one chart. Instead of flipping between symbols, you'll combine them into a single formula that TradingView reads like a custom ticker. The idea is simple: multiply or divide currency pairs, so the chosen currency's movements are isolated and easy to compare. Start on any chart in TradingView. At the top left, click the symbol search bar. This is where you'll build the index, no special menu required. We're going to type a formula directly into that search bar, so TradingView creates a composite symbol for you. Here's the logic behind the formula. Every pair has a base currency and a quote currency. The base is the first one in the pair, the quote is the second. To make an index for a single currency, you multiply pairs where your target currency is the base, and you divide pairs where your target currency is the quote. That way, price movements that reflect strength in your chosen currency all push the index the same direction. For example, to build a USD index, you'd multiply pairs like USD-JPY, USD-C8 and USD-CHF, because USD is the base in those. And you'd divide by pairs like EURUSD, GBP-USD, AUD-USD, and NAD-USD, because USD is the quote in those. Typed into the search bar, it might look like this: USD JPY, Phi USD CHAD, Phi USD CH Phi EURUSD, asterisk GB USD, asterisk AUD DSD. You can adjust which pairs you include based on what you trade most, but keep the logic consistent. Multiply when your currency is first. Divide when it's second. TradingView formulas use simple operators, so a structure like BTC USD multiple by ETH-USD is valid too. That example shows how symbols are joined with multiplication. But for currency strength, you'll typically mix multiplication and division to keep your target currency aligned across pairs. Once your formula is ready, type it directly into the search bar and press enter. TradingView will load a chart of your new composite symbol. From there, you can analyze it as you would any ticker, zoom in, add indicators, and compare it with other markets. If the chart looks extreme or too noisy, consider trimming the list to your core pairs so the index reflects what matters to you most. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.